So today I am going to go to a very known species in birds, especially if you live down by me. It is called the European Starling. So first it started in Europe, then an explorer, I don't much know which explorer it was, came down and loved these starlings, so he decided to bring them down to America and places like that. And then they bred and they created like a whole population of them. So now there is a lot of them. They're a big nuisance, not as much as geese. Okay, so let's start with their size. They are 7.5 feet, and in metric, they are 19 centimeters. And then for the males, finally, an important male. Okay, so they're gray to black bird. They're a gray to black bird with white speckles in fall and winter. Shiny purple black during the spring and the summer. They can be long pointed yellow bill. They can have a long pointed yellow bill in when the spring, and they turn gray in the fall. And they also have a short tail. And the female, not really important, just the same as the male. So now to the children, or the baby chicks. You can refer to them as juveniles if you want to. Are similar to the adults, gray brown color with a streaked chest. Okay, now time for the nest. So they have a cavity. The male and the female line the cavity. They have 2 juveniles per year. So they have 4 to 6 juveniles, bluish with brown markings, and that's what their eggs look like. And then for their incubation, it takes 12 to 14 days for an egg to hatch, and the female and the male will take turns incubating. So, which means like sitting on it and taking guard, depending on which stage they are in the incubation. So, the food, they eat insects, seeds, fruit, and etc., etc. Just different things like that. So to compare them, the male, you can compare the male to a brown-headed cowbird, which is a mostly brown bird with, I don't know a lot about the brown-headed cowbird. Doesn't live really where I live a lot. And then has, here we go. The brown-headed cowbird that has a brown head and a longer tail. So if you see something like that, it could be a European starling if it does not have a brown head and a brown body. So that is the end of this entry. Thank you for watching.